Ebusua for betimi follow betimi so like your comments betimi about comments so betimi so subscribe e hono. Prayers rating and I'm the ebro no kotoko players no and omodomo no me be reti omo. Ene no against no ba we na ombusa akwampuku say I didn't know not oil offside because we hear na match na kwampuku oil offside for so many times. Osina we eager say obeshe goals or pa ntina na ma na wo pre no na bring na and the offside a does at the man but in them ultimately a she so team pursue and time at the man and and I have prayer rating is so a better share free a brand fan say Samba on nail and I say better share free sorry better share free goalkeeper Kamara memano 9 out of 10 we saves now no first half now na say first half no kana was nka kotokotimi that from crowd by 2 goals to 1 crowd because saves me we are no and they keep you kotoko still on the game now I believe the justice play on also a chilo on also we say enkofo no go no mo share no on the cool shoot my ball no ma ekofa asa go no the buy but in all remember no 8.5 and so no na Samba Onel on also so ni tackles bi wa chiro no ma na say ni neme bi wo ya nanka punishable pa nti abantance remember no 8.5 on also bono na Saka Dauda memano 7 out of 10 and so honum na Henry Kwame enso yade e wa chiro pa onso bo chiro pampe ever since ya coach Karim Zito bae no so ogumo na on starting but coach yo bae no Kwame enso e chire bibi o showcase bibi say yes onso be ya no so ono show onso memano 8/10 enso honum na Patrick Asiedu ene mansheda hu Patrick Asiedu na minimu no mansheda hu sa because na on no side ona enkofo no the ball na mo all the time na hono ase hono ye weak kakra she wa hwe game we are utimu say Patrick Asiedu sa na enkofo no ta use on no side wo pa into ono so mema no 7.5 Patrick Asiedu and so on and Abet Amoa even though we should go but the final and I said delivery and I said the passes accuracy no to me they na and the best to me and the best mame and see honestly mama 6/10 and so on Abet Amoa na baba ya and so na and then machine we baba ya any has match na we compare na baba ya na modern one e form kakra yes na more than one of 20 so member no 5.5 and so on Joseph Abro on so e chiro ho on so pillar on so member no 7.5 and so hono and Andrews inti menu and so we fantastic player but time and then member no 7.5 and so hono na Kwame Poku do she go 2 goals at the man Santi Kotoko my timidi in Konomo and then man of the match and so honum and so memano 8.5 and so honum also a chain boble because now or tries to more goals into na or outside we been said after the game interviewer essential for Ebisa say I didn't know or offside or offside sign which essential for na say Kotoko supporters it's not winning Asante Kotoko prayer ratings ya measure so bra me hwe game ni me de ma Kotoko players omunyina na wo hwe ogabo achi so ba mu so be bo no modene Eviche ba for by na Chibjam na so by na Lord Amoa so e by na Isaka junior team side no so e by so e be chene bobro in all no like I say, mechanic in total in a memma Asante Kotoko players in and I say entire team from head to toe, 75%, I say 7.5%, and so we see a winning game, but there's more room for improvement. They need to improve. Yes. Shalom, peace.